Okay.
Is this Oreo's bark box?
This is my Oreo's bark box.
What is this? Is this bark box? Is this yours? Is this your bark box?
Yeah.
All right. Here, I'll give you a little starter. Here we go.
Yeah.
Skylar, put it all the way.
Sorry. Okay.
You gonna get it?
Let it, Skylar.
What's in there?
Oh, she got it. Yes.
Oh, what'd you
it's
get? Here, back up so Daddy can see.
Oh, New Year's.
What'd you get? Let's see.
Good party favorite.
It's like a
Party favorite, I think.
Oreo. What else is in here?
Oh yeah.
Is
It's a party favorite.
it a New Year's one? What's that?
New Year's.
Oh, it's something fuzzy. Oh, it's a bunny on skis.
Bunny on skis.
Oh. What's this?
It's a mug. It's a chocolate.
Best dog in the world.
Skylar told you can never have too many mugs.
You can never have too many bugs.
Oh,
Wait, Oreo, come here. Let me open it. You got treats. You got treats, Oreo. Bring the phone. You can't eat the plastic.
She's eating.
Come here. Come here. Here, let me see. Let me see. I'll open it. No, you can't eat the plastic, sweetie. I know. Come here. We'll open it for you. Let's try doggy treats. You got doggy treats. Nice jerky bites and duck party platter. Which one do you want to try? Oh, the cat wants one. You want one? Does that one sound good to you? Yeah, we'll open that later. What's your favorite part?
She knows to sit. She's like trying to sit, but she's so excited.
Come here, Oreo.
Yeah, the cat knows to sit too.
She's sitting there.
Okay, that one won't open underneath, so okay.
She's like, what are
We'll
you?
try this one.
You give me one? Hartley's like learning from Oreo.
This one is duck party platter.
Just party platter.
So it's good to you too. All right, Oreo, sit.
Oh, yeah, she's happy. See if Hartley's loving that.
You want to try it?
Oh, he likes it. It's a kitty. It's yummy.
Duck.